This is my 2003 Porsche 911. This is the update on it. It's pretty clean. Now, I tried to sell it. I bought this car last year for fun, so I could drive it with the top down in the winter with my friend, and that all came. It required a lot more work. We ended up replacing wheel bearings on a Porsche 911. Front shocks, lower front control arms. Now, we knew we had to replace the roof. Now, the car needed to be serviced, and it needed new brakes, and I didn't know it needed new wheels and tires. We did that. Sadly, I'm in the car. I purchased this car for $17,000, and I thought my original budget was I'll put $5,000 into it. Nice looking, good working car, should be Porsche 911, should be worth $21,000 to $23,000. Well, if I was to try and get my money out of the car, break even for all the fixings I put into it, I would be in it $29,000. I did list the car for sale in January when everything was fixed, and I couldn't get $29,000. So this is where you go, but Matthew, I could buy a really nice Carrera convertible for $25,000 or $26,000. Why is that one worth $29,000? Apparently it's not. But at the time when I bought this car, the exact same model, all leather, cabriolet, Aero, Carrera 2, Tiptronic, was selling for $50,000 with similar miles, but was actually in really nice condition. This car looks pretty, but in the details, it's got a lot of scratches, it's got a lot of dings, and the interior's got a lot of wear on it. And sadly, this is the part that's really sad, the car's falling apart. So right now, the check engine light came back. So I took it to the dealer, it was emissions issue, the same code came back, and I need to take it back. They're gonna have to take the exhaust off and clean all the ports and decarbon it, which is crazy. Now, another thing that happened is the turn indicator broke. It turns left, and then when you turn the wheel, it won't let go, and if you want to turn right, you gotta hold it. It won't. So that's got to be replaced. I ordered one, that's on order. And then the seat ripped. I stitched it, and it looked pretty good for a little while, but now the stitches are pulling because why? Because I'm sitting in the car. Okay, so I'm not wearing the seatbelt in the car, but I got my check engine light back. I have a new laptop. Let's go look and see what's up with the laptop. And there's my check engine light. Gives no information. This is a different car, doesn't do it. Check. Doesn't do anything. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but here's the reality. Okay, so I'm back home, and the reality is I need to sell this car. And this car is not worth what I thought it would be worth. And that is sad. And I have to come to reality that I'm gonna have to lower the price to $21,000, and that I'm just gonna lose $8,000 on enjoying the car for a year, which is sad. It'll be the most money lost on a car in a year ever. I did lose a lot of money on that Honda Accord I had too, but I had that for 4 years, so that doesn't equate. So this is sad, but it is what it is. The person who buys it from me will be stoked because I'm going to take it to the dealer. I need to get this. There's a lot of things that you can have wrong with the car, but a check engine light you shouldn't have wrong with the car. And it bothers me because I did take it to the dealer and I got about, let's see, I'm at 61,393 miles. I think I got about 500 miles before the check engine light came back, so I'm not sure. Just got back from my drive. good drive. Put like an hour and 30 minutes in the car. Well, maybe not in the car. I stayed at the beach for like 25 minutes, but that's okay. This is a very expensive Dell Inspiron laptop. Touch screen, 16 gig, the whole thing, and I replaced, oh, you probably can't see, the hard drive in it because the hard drive failed, and I can't get the new OS to load on the hard drive. The old hard drive, the new. So I'm missing a driver, and I'm putting time into it, and I'm like, bro. So that's done. I ordered a long ass time ago this laptop. Oh God. I don't know why Amazon Prime is not 2-day delivery anymore. Some stuff it's just not. Meow meow. Meow meow kitty. Biscuit. Hi Biscuit. Meow 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 meow. You hear me talking? You want to talk too? Meow meow kitty. Biscuit. No. Stab myself with a screwdriver while filming. So I ordered the least expensive laptop I could find because I need to get my geometric running on a laptop ASAP. That geometric is like super valuable. And so I bought a refurbed Lenovo. Ooh, fancy. Non-touch screen. Regular basic Pentium. I think it has like 4 or 8 gigs of RAM, not 16 or 32, so it's nothing special. What's your name? Name this device. All right. This is gonna take forever. I don't want my location. I don't care about find my device. I don't care about diagnostic data. I just care about that this sucker's gonna work. You wanna synchronize your phone with your computer? Oh, I don't have a Windows phone. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. I don't want any of that. It's just like, it's just forever. And now it says hi. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. You might have to wait till the next video. But hey, the day started out great. It really did. It might finish well, but I'm gonna leave this alone. You can probably hear in the background, I'm doing my laundry, and I need to make lunch, and oh, maybe. Wi-Fi. Ooh, maybe not. I don't want to sign in. Durametric download for Windows 10. What the fuck? Dude, I'm like, this is getting irritating really fast. I'm not liking this new laptop. What the hell? It's downloading an exe and changing it to something else? Oh, sorry, you can't download Chrome. This is irritating. 3, 2, 1, installing. Wait. Waiting to download. 3, 2, 1. Installing. 3, 2, 1. Maybe not. 5. Maybe 10, 9, 8, 7, 20, 19. Well, Windows 11 is a pain in the ass. I don't trust your software. I'm not gonna do your software. I'm not gonna do. Man, dude, have I been digging with this for half an hour? I might have overcooked the steak, but it is a ribeye, so it'll probably be okay. No, it looks good. Usually I don't cook just one steak. Definitely too many fries. That's how you get healthy. You eat good. A little overcooked. What can I say? What's up? It's been a few days. I walked away. I had dinner, as you saw. It's been a few days. The laptop was like, now I need to update. Now this needs to do this. And so I just walked away. We'll see if it even turns on. I don't know why I have so much computer problems. But it's okay. It keeps me employed. My day job is a computer engineer. I specialize in server infrastructure based on Windows and messaging and communications and conferencing and don't look at my password. I don't know what it is. I think I got bit by a mosquito and I'm itching, so forgive me as I itch myself like there's no tomorrow. Somehow I got bit on the back of both legs. I don't know, I'm just itchy. Come on! Welcome screen! HD camera with privacy button. Rapid charge boost. Get support 14.7 inch. Ooh, that's a good sign. Yes, I want to run this Diagnostic software. Oh, please open up, please open up, please open up, please open up, please open up. Maybe I need the Diagnostic cable. Hold on, let me get the table. Oh, nothing happened while I was gone. It's still like, maybe I need the cable plugged in. Did I buy a laptop that doesn't have USB ports? That turns on. Bingity bing boom. Bum bum. Bingity bing bing boom boom. Yes. It isn't plugged in. Please do your thing. Do it. Do it. How did I even get it to work on the other laptop? Oh my god. Compatibility mode. I saw it popped a little screen that said Diagnostic. Ah, now we can go get the Porsche key and talk to the Porsche. Yes! Yes! You have no idea. Super duper excited. Super duper. I don't know how to work the radio in my own car. We will talk about that another day. Okay, this is a 996. And it knows the engine, and it's a second gen Tiptronic. Fault code, fault code, fault code. Secondary air seat. Here, come look. This is the problem. Can you read it? Can you read it? Can you zoom in more? There we go. But 491492. Secondary air system bank. So that the ports are clogged or something's clogged in the emissions. It's the same thing. They had me replace a valve, and obviously they wanted me to take the exhaust off. I didn't do it, and now it's got the same code. But what I am gonna do is clear the code. We'll see if it... All right, no check engine light, no funny lights. So we know what the code is. We know what's wrong with the car. We know what the car needs. And we know the car's not worth what I thought it was worth. So I was like not driving this car because I wanted to keep it nice and get the maximum amount of money. But now that I know I'm not gonna get that money, I'm just gonna drive it. It's supposed to be driven. Ridden, not hidden, as someone told me once. Ridden, not hidden. But, oh well. I guess I'll keep it a little longer, and then I'll just sell it. I guess the worst case scenario, I could maybe get 19 for it. I know it'll sell for 17 in a heartbeat, because that's what I bought it for, and I had to beat people off with a stick, and sadly I put so much money. Sometimes I'm just really bad with money. Makes me worry about my new purchase. Oh well. It'll all be good. Thank you again. I don't know what else is on. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, aloha.